forgot your passcode, and suddenly facing the iPhone unavailable screen? Don't panic, it's more common than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 reliable ways to reset an iPhone when you can't access it. We'll cover the Forgot Passcode feature, Tenorshare, For UK, iCloud, and iTunes. Each method is suited to different situations, so you can choose the one that fits your scenario. Just remember, all of these approaches will erase the device, so be sure you understand the risks if you don't have a backup. Method 1. Resetting through the Forgot Passcode option. For devices running iOS 15.2 or later, Apple makes it possible to reset the phone directly from the lock screen. After multiple incorrect attempts, your screen will show iPhone unavailable along with a Forgot Passcode link. Signing in with your Apple ID lets you erase the device and start over. Once the reset is complete, you can restore from iCloud or a previous computer backup or set up the device as new. This is the quickest and simplest method, and it doesn't require a computer, though you do need your Apple ID and an internet connection. Method 2. Resetting with Tenorshare For UK. No passcode or Apple ID required. If your device doesn't offer the Forgot Passcode option, is frozen, or isn't responding, a dedicated unlock tool like Tenorshare For UK can help you reset the device. It's a professional iOS unlocking tool that lets you reset your iPhone without needing your passcode or Apple ID. Start by downloading and installing Tenorshare For UK on your Windows or Mac computer. Connect your iPhone with a USB cable and launch the program. Click Start and follow the instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode if needed. For iPhone 8 or newer, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This may take about 10 to 20 seconds. Once your device is recognized, click Download to get the latest iOS firmware, and after it finishes, select Start Remove to begin the reset. Once the procedure is complete, the device is restored to factory settings. This method is helpful when the screen is unresponsive or you can't reach the built-in reset options. Method 3. Erasing through iCloud requires Find My iPhone enabled. If Find My iPhone is turned on, you can erase your device remotely from any browser. After signing in to iCloud, simply choose your iPhone from the device list and select the option to erase it. As soon as your phone goes online, it will reset itself and return to its initial setup state. This approach is especially useful when you don't have your device with you or can't operate it directly. Method 4. Restoring with iTunes. Once connected, iTunes will detect the device in its locked state and offer a restore option. The software will reinstall the iOS system and return the device to its factory condition. This method can take longer than the others, but it remains a dependable solution when other options fail. These are 4 effective ways to reset an iPhone that shows iPhone unavailable or when you've forgotten your passcode. Let me know in the comments which option worked for you, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share to help others facing the same issue. See you in the next video.